A part of me always knew I was a woman. I always knew that I was different, and there was always a part of me that just felt like something's wrong, like I'm not who I'm supposed to be. And I had so many dark moments, and if I would have ever acted on any of those feelings, I most definitely wouldn't be here today. I'm Tylee, and I'm 21 years old. At birth, I was gendered male, but today I identify as a proud Black trans woman. I actually only started playing with makeup a year ago. Makeup is my safe space. I create makeup looks that range from glam to hyper-realistic, surrealistic. So as a trans woman, there's a lot of judgment, and finding work can definitely be very difficult. I've had so many experiences where I'm not even getting looked at for a job specifically for my gender identities. The great thing about Sephora is they actually hire women like me, and that makes me feel seen and appreciated. I think that is one of the most important things any brand or company could do. I grew up in a really religious family, so it was a very toxic environment, and I thought that if I ever came out as who I really was, that I'd lose everyone. But after leaving Long Island and moving to the city, I started expressing myself in little pieces. I started wearing my hair long, and I started wearing heels. We went to Sephora. Being able to see myself as like my authentic self and the person that I am within, and being able to see her, it was one of the most important parts of my life. Feeling that spark of something igniting. I want people to realize that women like me, we're not that different from your average girl. And although it's gonna take a really long time for people to see us how we see ourselves, I've come to a point in my life where I don't seek validation in anyone. I can look at myself and I feel like I finally see me